Good medical morning. This is Watson, your king of pops, and today we're going to be packing wounds. Fair warning, you're going to see a lot of clips like this, so viewer discretion is strongly advised. Before we get going, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell for all our videos. Without that bell, you probably won't see our most graphic videos in your feed. This topic was brought to my attention when watching a Dr. Gilmore video. People in the comments ask, why do you pack a wound? Wound packing is performed by doctors or clinical staff for substantial wounds that are deep or that tunnel under the skin. The wound filler is often made of sterile gauze or foam that's designed to be inserted into the wound to soak up blood or other material for a better healing environment. Some of the gauze used in the packing material is impregnated with medication or other substances to prevent necrotic tissue and other unwanted cell growth and microorganisms that will interfere with the healthy progress of healing. The following information is intended to help you better understand and choose what kind of wound packing is best for your situation, either tending to you or your patient's wound. Wound packing can be done with wound packing strips or packing rope. There are actually wound packing tutorials online like this. However, I recommend that you leave that for the professionals. And some medical professionals will argue that wound packing may not actually help the healing process. Are there any medical professionals who would like to weigh in on that comment? Leave your educated opinion below. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. We asked, and here's what you had to say about RESTMORE.
The cool thing is I wake up refreshed, don't feel groggy.
I slept really well and I have no residual sleepy, drowsy feeling.
Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, RESTMORE.
That's right, RESTMORE. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Better, deeper sleep, all natural and healthy, more energy during the day. Let's hear more.
I've been getting the best sleep ever.
I'm finding myself sleeping all through the night, waking up fresh and rested in the mornings.
I'm bright and alert. It has changed my life for the better.
I keep hearing from people who've been trying the product, same thing. It just puts them to sleep.
If you haven't tried RESTMORE yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There you go. When you just need more rest, get RESTMORE. There's an Amazon link in the description below.